once you have all 3 layers decided and cut out, it's time to assemble. So you're going to keep turning and spinning until you figure out the best layout for your collage. And once you're happy, then you can glue it down. Elmer's glue is going to be the best glue to do the attaching. Glue stick will work if that's all you have, but glue stick tends to fall apart a little. So I'm going to add some glue here on the back. I don't want to forget how I had this placed. And then my pop onomatopoeia layer is going to go on top. And there is my finished 3-layer collage. Onomatopoeia layer on top, newspaper layer in the middle, and my gift bag layer on the back.